What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre. In this video, I'm going to be talking about make money from home doing medical billing and coding. So I know a lot of people think that in order for you to do medical billing and coding, you have to be in the back office of a doctor's office. Like you have to be in the back and you have to be at the doctor's office. Now I'm going to show you a way how you can do medical billing and coding working from home. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and let me know in the comments down below where you're watching this from. If you're brand new, I always like to know how far my videos are traveling. And for my regulars, happy to have you here, viewers and subscribers. Let's get into things right away. So this is my YouTube channel, and as you can see, I create a lot of videos about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, work from home jobs. So if you know anybody out there who would like to work from home, send them to my channel. Share my channel out there to them because I'm sure that there is something on here that can benefit either you or them. All right, so let's just dive into things right away. So make money from home, medical billing and coding. So I found a website and it's called AviaCode. Some people may pronounce it as aviacode.com, aviacode.com, and they do medical coding. So if you look through here, see coding denial management, you can scroll down and you can check out this website. I've researched it before, and you have a potential of income earnings up to $3,000 per month. So that's their potential earnings up to. Now it doesn't have to be 3,000, but I said potentially up to that. Could be even more. It all depends. So you just gotta come through here and you can apply. I'll show you where to apply. But for someone who would like to get their, some customer service, innovative technology, exceptional medical coders. So if you're good at medical coding and you want to get a job in the medical field, this is a great website that you can come and you could get started right away. As you can see here, we're busy coding. So they find clients and they go and find, doctors from all over, maybe some in your neck of the woods. And they reach out to them and they offer their services to them. And here, if you're awesome, we want you. Flexible medical coding opportunities, work from home. So there it is right there. If you want to work from home, you could just click on here where it says click to learn more. Once you click on where it says click to learn more, just come through here and you see they're looking for AviaCode people, AviaCode culture, AviaCode perks. So they have two types here. They have job openings like in corporate employment. These are jobs typically located in AviaCode's corporation headquarters in Seattle. So if you're over there, yeah, you can go check out in Seattle. But for people who want to be remote, work from home, and do medical coding and billing, you want to click over here. So hover over here and you can click where it says job openings. Once you click on job openings, then you could search your job here. You can click on the location, click on the category that you're looking for. They have accounting, financing, administrative, human resources. So there's a lot of different things, medical coding, sales, marketing, software. So there's other jobs other than medical coding. But if you're into the medical coding area, you definitely want to come here and check it out. And they also, if you want to learn about them, you could click on the About section. You could click on where it says Avia's team. Check out who is behind the scenes. Chief Financial Officer, right? You have all these different people that are here. You have the VP of Global Operations, right? So you could just come through here. You could check it out, meet the team, about them. You can look at their partner as well and do your due diligence. You can check it out, see, do your investigation. I already checked it out already, and it is a legitimate website, and they just ready to hire you. So if you have some experience, or if you just want to apply to just see if you can get it in medical billing and coding, just check that out. All right. So if you're looking for my number one recommendation, of course, check out the link down below. If you want to start your own business online, of course, how to make money and where you can generate passive income like $200-300 consistently over time, check out the first link in the description. And you also can get a free trial, 15 days of just testing out the system. So I hope this video helps. I didn't want to make it too long. I just wanted to create a video how you can make money from home through medical billing and coding. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to share this because someone out there will benefit from this. Peace.